Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking steps? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 will truly revolutionize your meal prep and save you precious time. This isn't just a pressure cooker, it's a 9-in-1 kitchen powerhouse, letting you pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, make yogurt, and so much more. Imagine creating delicious family meals from stews to desserts all in one device. Talk about ultimate convenience for any busy household. With 15 smart, customizable programs, cooking specific dishes like rice, chili, or even cakes is as simple as pressing a button, taking all the guesswork out. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen setup and make healthy, homemade food effortless every single day. And let's not forget the durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot, ensuring healthy cooking and super easy cleanup after every use. What truly sets the Instant Pot Duo Plus apart is its unmatched versatility and user-friendliness, making it the best kitchen purchase you can make right now. Check the Amazon link in the description to get yours. Whether you're new to pressure cooking or a seasoned chef, this appliance simplifies life, making quick and delicious meals a daily reality. Don't miss out on transforming your kitchen. Find the best deal for this incredible Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon via the link below. For anyone serious about efficient, delicious cooking in 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is an absolute must-have.